Hi, I'm George, TSG's ActiveWizard product manager. In this short demo, I'm going to overview the Active Approve module of ActiveWizard and specifically the review process. So in the previous demos, we've filled out a form and it has selected two users, Jim and Dwight, as the change request approvers. Let's say in this case, before we send it on the approval process, we want to send it for review. So what we're going to do here is start our review workflow. And our review is actually fairly open. It automatically selects the approvers as reviewers, but I could add other users if I want, and I could remove approvers if needed as well. In this case, for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to say I just want Jim's input on this form, so I'm going to just start the review workflow for Jim. So now I'm going to log out. I actually have Jim's email coming to me. So here's the email that comes to Jim, and I can click on this link to easily get into HPI to my task. So I'm just going to log in here, and I'm taken right to my task. And as part of this, I might want to make annotations on the review process. So I'm just going to go ahead here and click the annotate button. So I can see my form in Open Annotate. And let's say I'm just going to add an annotation here that says, maybe we should move this date up. So Jim has added his annotation, and maybe he wants to circle this to give it a little bit more weight. So we'll go ahead and save his annotations. And now coming back into HPI, we can actually see those annotations directly burned into the PDF in the stage. So now we're going to say that the review process is done. Jim's done making his comments. So he can go ahead and just complete his review. So the form goes back to the draft status, and Jim can log out. So heading back to my email, I can see that my user now has an email that is sent to me because the review has been finished. So I can click on this link and log in as my user. And again, I'm taken right back into the process where I can see Jim's comments. And then, potentially I might want to heed his comments. So I'll come in here and edit the form. And I'm going to change this date as Jim suggested. So now this change has been made, and I can still see in the version history the differences between the two documents. I can also see some audit events that have happened on this form. I can see here that the review was started by my user and the date where Jim approved his, completed his review task. Well, that's it for this short demo. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out our website at tsgrp.com. And don't miss the next demo where I'm going to be showing the approval process for this form.